Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry. I also want to welcome the students of 10th class that kept chapter chemical reaction and chemical equation that is according to CBSE syllabus. Here this is the part 6 where I will explain the type of chemical reaction, that is displacement and double displacement reaction. Before that, in my previous video, in part 1, I have explained the chemical reaction and characteristics of chemical reaction. In part 2, I have explained how to write formula in a chemical equation. In third part, I have explained unbalance and balance equation and how to make balance. In fourth part, the type of chemical reaction, that one is combination. And fifth part, I have already explained the type of chemical reaction, that is decomposition. Now it is sixth part where the type of chemical reaction, displacement and double displacement. First we will see displacement reaction. What is meant by displacement? Now see one example. This is copper sulfate and that color is blue and it is aqueous. Here displacement reaction will take place in solution. So CuSO4 copper sulfate, you take aqueous solution and add zinc piece. Zinc is solid. Then after some time you can see the solution, the color blue changes to colorless. Here it is zinc sulfate. What is the name? Zinc sulfate. Now you can observe here, this is copper sulfate, the metal is copper and here the metal is zinc. Now zinc only has power to displace copper from this compound solution. Now zinc has power to displace copper from the copper sulfate solution. What is meaning? This is one type of displacement reaction. Then what is meaning? How can you say it is a displacement reaction? The reaction in which a more active element. Now see the reaction in which a more active element, that means zinc is more active element than copper. Zinc is more active than copper. So displace other from a compound solution. Now in compound solution, the compound in solution, and here what happened? The zinc is active more than copper. That is why zinc displaces copper and form zinc sulfate and colorless. What this is solution is? Colorless. And now you can see the blue color changes to colorless. So here clear the reaction in which active metal displaces the less active metal in its solution. Now another example you can say iron Fe, that is solid, copper sulfate, aqueous. That means here iron is more active than copper. Here iron is more active than copper. That is why it displaces copper from its copper sulfate solution. Now it is blue color and the color changes to light green because ferrous sulfate, that is light green color. What is the formula? Fe plus 2 sign and SO4 minus 2. So cancel each other and the formula is FeSO4. Now you can see here this is also one type of displacement, and now here you can see cupric chloride and here lead solid. Now what happens here? PbCl2, lead chloride is formed which is colorless, and here the copper is formed. That means what it indicates? Lead is more active than copper. Lead is more active than copper. Now you can see here copper is the least active element in this all the reaction. Now Pb plus CuCl2 gives BbCl2 plus copper. Now last reaction, silver nitrate, which is colorless. Now copper. Then what happened? Copper nitrate is formed, cupric nitrate, whose color is blue. In solution the color is blue, colorless solution changes to blue, and on the copper piece, on copper solid, white grey color of silver is deposited. Similarly here you can say this copper brown color solid is deposited on zinc piece. Similarly, here also same, brown color copper deposited on iron. Here also copper deposited on lead. And here silver, white grey color deposited on copper. That means this is the type of displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? In which a more active element displaces the other which is less active in the compound solution. This is called displacement reaction. Displacement reaction, it indicates which will be more active, which is the less reactive. Next we will see what is double displacement. I told in displacement reaction, the element, the metal which is very much active than other, that will displace the metal in the compound in solution stage. But what is meant by double displacement? In double displacement, here you will see exchange of ions takes place. In reactant side, exchange of ions takes place. And reactants are ionic compound. The reactant should be ionic compound. The reaction takes place in solution form. The reactants what you will take, that should be in solution form. Example, you take sodium sulfate. See, sodium sulfate aqua because it is in water solution, and barium chloride aqua because it is soluble in water. Then what happens when both will mix? And here you can see barium sulfate is a white precipitate. Now NaCl aqua, that means soluble in water. That means sodium sulfate when react to the barium chloride, both are in aqua solution, they will give white precipitate. Then what happens here? You suppose one want to show magic, then say this is colorless solution, this is colorless solution. When both will mix, it gives a white color precipitate, or you can say white color milk like precipitate. So it is one type of magic that when both colorless solution mix, it gives milk type of white product. So it is only in if you want to show magic, but leave it, come to chemistry. What happened? Sodium sulfate is a colorless solution, barium chloride is a colorless solution. When both will combine, it gives white precipitate. What is that white precipitate? That is barium sulfate. And now what is here? You can see exchange of ions. So this is plus 1. So here it is -2, and now see this is one group of ions, this is Cl -1 and it is +2. Now what happens here? This is exchange of ions takes place. Here this ion goes to here, this ion comes to here. That means, or you can say this comes to here and this barium comes to here. That means exchange of ions takes place in reactants, and now it is in solution form. And now you can say both this one and this one, both are ionic compound. Now you can see here white precipitate. That means in double displacement reaction or in this type of reaction, you are getting some precipitate. If one of the compound, one of the product, there are so many products, if one of the product is insoluble in water, if it is insoluble in water, that is called precipitate, which is in short form PPT. This precipitate may be white, black, any color may be possible. Now silver nitrate, see silver nitrate, that means here NO3 -1, it is +1. See Na is +1, see in this example Na is +1, so 2 times you can write 2 here, and here Cl is 2 times, so you can write 2 here. That means here in silver nitrate, nitrate is -1, silver is +1, so this is silver nitrate. Now it is +1 -1. Now you can observe exchange of ions takes place. Yes, exchange of ion takes place. This NO3 nitrate will come to here. The Cl minus comes to here. NO3 minus 1 comes to here. Cl minus comes to here. Then the result is AgCl silver chloride NaNO3 aqua. Aqua mean aqua here written mean it is soluble in water, and S mean it is precipitate in precipitate form. What is that one? Cody white precipitator. Cody white precipitator. So it looks like Cody white PPT. Now next example, copper sulfate. You know the copper sulfate, that is color is blue, and aquamine, that is in the water in solution form, blue solution. When you pass H2S, H2S is a gas. H2S is a gas. The smell is rotten egg smell. When you pass this one, it gives CuS. Copper sulfide. What is the color of the copper sulfide? That is also PPT, black color. So here copper sulfide, that is also PPT, and color is black. And next product is byproduct is sulfuric acid. So in this reaction, what happens? The sulfate changes. Ion exchange takes place between sulfate and S. S comes to here, sulfate comes to there. Then that means these are example of the displacement reaction. Indirectly I want to show what is a displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, what are the conditions? Exchange of ions takes place, reactants always in ionic form, and the reaction always in solution. And here the reactant must be ionic compound, other than the double displacement never takes place. So next come to conclusion. What is the conclusion? Here what you understand from this reaction, what is meant by double displacement? There are some reaction in which two different atoms or group of atoms, see group of atoms SO4, NO3, atom simply Cl, group of atom, they will displace by other atoms or group of atoms. Here it displaced by one atom, it displaced by one atom, or you sometimes also group of atoms, then it is called double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction means here ion exchange takes place. So between two atoms or group of atoms. Here suppose Cl, here suppose Br, then it is called ClBr. That means it is called two atoms exchange. If you say SO4 and Cl, group of atoms and simply atom. If you say NO3 SO4, then you can say group of atoms. So here this is the conclusion. Displacement reaction means here there is some reaction in which two atoms or group of atoms displaced by other two atoms or group of atoms is called displacement reaction, and they are always generally producing precipitate, whether the color is white, black or any color. So I hope it is clear. Displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, one metal atom which is more active, that will displace the other atom in the compound solution. But double displacement, both should be aqueous solution and both should be ionic compound, and both exchange of ion takes place and some precipitate is formed. If then it is, that means it is insoluble in water. The precipitate may be black or a white or any color. I hope it is clear to you what is meant by displacement and double displacement, and hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet Chemistry, and please share and like my channel so that I may produce more videos on the science that topic for the class 10th, and it will be more benefit for you. Thanks.